Morning children, today's date is 20th October and the year is 2021. Today's day is Wednesday and in our phonics class we'll be learning the sound of a new letter. We'll be learning the sound for letter J. So children, the letter that you see on your screen is J. That's the name of the letter. Yes, so this is the capital J, the big J. Yes, and this is the lowercase letter J in the printed format. Yes, this is how it appears in your book or when you're reading on the computer or typing on the computer. This is how letter J comes across. Yes, so this is the capital J. This is the lowercase j in the printed format. Now coming to the important part, the sound. Yes, so the name of the letter is J and the sound for this letter is J. This is again lowercase letter J, the way we write it. Yes, we'll be learning how to write this letter next week. But for today, let's focus on the sound. Yes, so this is lowercase letter J, the writing format. Yes, and the sound again. So remains the same. The name of the letter is J and the sound for this letter is J. Can we say it together? J. Let's have a look at few pictures here that begin with the sound J. Yes, then that begin with the letter J. Yes, so here is the capital J, the big J. The sound is J, as in joker, J, jug, J, jam, J, jelly, J, jacket, J, jackal. It's an animal, wild animal. J, jump. Yes, the action that this girl is doing is she's jumping. J, jump. This is J, jar. J, jellyfish. You see this deep in the ocean. Jellyfish. J, juice. Yes, so all these pictures here begin with the sound J. Yes, let's quickly revise the words. Joker, jug, jam, jelly, jacket. Yes, all of you should now start removing your jackets. Yes, the winters are approaching. J, jacket, jackal, jump, jar, jellyfish, juice. Yes, they all began with the same sound. The beginning sound was J. And the name of the letter is J. Now coming to the homework sheet. Yes, I have prepared the sheet for you to practice the phonic sound J. So now there are many words here you can see. Yes, so there are a couple of words which I want you to read. Yes, these are some easy words that you can read. And after reading, I want you to circle those words that begin with the sound J. Okay, so you have to read all the words, but only circle the words that begin with the sound J. Okay, let me do the first row with you, and the rest you can do it on your own. Yes, let's read this word. R, a, t. R, a, t. Rat. Is the beginning sound J in this word? No, the beginning sound is R. Okay, so I will not circle this word. I just will read this word. Let's come to the next one. J, a, g, j, a, g, jug. Now the word jug, is the beginning sound j? Yes, the beginning sound is j. Yes, so I will circle this word. The word jug begins with the sound j. Let's do the next one. J, e, t, j, e, t, jet. Now, in the word jet, is the beginning sound j? Yes, the beginning sound is j in the word jet. So I circle this word. Let's come to this one. A, n. A, n. Man. Now the word man, the beginning sound is okay, and I'm going to only circle those words that begins with j. Okay, so I'm not going to circle this word. So similarly, you're going to read all the other words and only circle those words that begin with the sound j. Okay, so that's going to be your phonic homework for today. So you can copy this sheet in your literacy notebook, complete it and submit it by tomorrow. Happy learning!